Hi, I'm JoAnn Murcho, a museum educator at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this is a close-looking exercise in your My Museum kit. In this video, we will be exploring Gregory, Effigy by Isamu Noguchi. Before we begin talking about this artwork, let's take a moment to let your eyes wander all over the piece. Look carefully from top to bottom and side to side, paying close attention to all of the details you see. Please pause the video to give yourself a few moments to look. Art can be used for many things. It can be something beautiful or interesting to look at. It can have a function, like a handmade bowl. Art can even be used to tell stories and express feelings about life. As we look at the sculpture by Isamu Noguchi, let's explore what stories or feelings he may have wanted to share. As you can see, this artwork really doesn't look like anything exactly. It's considered to be abstract art. The wonderful thing about abstract art is that it can be anything you want it to be. You just have to use your imagination. Let's take a moment to describe the sculpture. Let the following questions guide you while we take a close look. What color is the sculpture? What shape is it? Is it a round sculpture or does it have sharp edges? Does it have many pieces to it? What do you think each piece means? How is the sculpture standing? What do you think it looks like? Now that we've visually gotten to know this artwork, let's talk about what inspired Noguchi to create it. Noguchi was born in Los Angeles, California, to a Japanese poet and a white American writer. He spent most of his childhood in Japan and returned to the United States at the age of 14. Noguchi tried very hard to fit into white American culture, but he faced many problems due to his father's heritage. Have you ever been treated badly because of where you come from, the way you look, or how you talk? When you are treated unfairly because of the color of your skin or how you look, it is called racism. When someone is treated unfairly because of their culture, identity, religion, or nationality, it is called bigotry. Racism and bigotry are reactions of fear that come from not understanding people who are different from others. These ideas and acts of racism and bigotry caused Noguchi a lot of emotional pain, not only for himself, but for how other Japanese Americans were treated. He used his stories and feelings as inspiration for creating art, which can be a great way to express ideas or emotions. Although much of his artwork is inspired by his personal stories and how he felt as a Japanese American during a difficult time in history, he was also inspired by the stories of others, even imaginary stories. He created the sculpture Gregory, Effigy as a tribute to a character from a story called Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. A good example of metamorphosis is how a caterpillar transforms into a beautiful butterfly. In this story, the main character Gregory goes to bed as a human man and wakes up as a giant bug. His family and friends did not recognize him, and they were terrified of him. Gregory felt like people did not love him anymore because of how he looked, even though on the inside he was the same person he always was. Why do you think Noguchi was inspired by this story? Does it remind you of anything you have experienced in your life? Even though Noguchi's artwork was inspired by his own feelings and experiences, he wanted to show the struggles and feelings of others so that people could learn how to build empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person or a group of people. It's like putting yourself in another person's situation and really feeling as if you are the other person. Empathy is slightly different from sympathy because sympathy is the ability to recognize another person's emotions and not actually feel them. Let's take a quick look at another artwork which is a great example of sympathy and empathy. The name of this artwork is Mary, Don't You Weep by Charles White. In this drawing, White has created a moment of caring and support between two women. Both women have their arms crossed and are standing near one another. The woman on the left is looking down and concerned, while the one on the right is looking up and determined. We, as a viewer, can sympathize and perhaps even empathize with the women to show support for the challenges they may be going through. White wanted to show how a friend can show empathy and understanding by listening to another person's concerns and giving them extra support through difficult times. Let's try to think of a time when we have used empathy in our own lives. Try to think of an experience when someone or something needed help and you did it. Maybe you caught a bug in the house and let it go safely outside instead of smashing it. Maybe you saw a friend or a family member who was sad and you made them smile again. Maybe you spent some time with a pet or watered a flower outside. There are many ways to show empathy. Through acts of kindness, friendship, working together, even through creating artworks that tell stories like Isamu Noguchi. Thank you for watching. Now please feel free to go to the art making video which is related to Gregory, Effigy. Remember to keep in mind what you have learned here, as you have fun making some interesting and wonderful art.